What is going on? And today we got a box of SP Authentic. Now we're going to be doing more of this, so this is not the end of SP Authentic for sure. Trying to get the set. But let me show you guys a card that I got today. It is a Tyler Seguin purple 1/5 beautiful patch from Ice of Tyler Seguin with a silver auto there. Beautiful card. Nice to have that one. And now let's get straight into the box. So me and my dad are going to do 9 packs each. So, oh no. There goes the camera. I don't have a lot of space here, guys, so... Here's our box of SP Authentic. So I'll do this side. Yeah, so 9 packs and then I'll switch. Here's the packs. And here we go, guys. SP Authentic 18-19. Patterson, come on, come home. Let's start it off with a good box. So first, let me just lower this a little bit. No, I'm looking for the patches. Oh, we're starting off with a Future Watch. Oh no. Should we do it? I guess we're gonna do it. It better be good. I'm telling you, if it's a garbage one. Autograph Future Watch. Okay, it's not horrid. Dylan Dubé. 577 and a 999. Not too bad. And you get, what's good about this is you get 2 to 3 autos, so every auto is not the end. So Dylan Dubé is not too bad to start. So that's 1 pack in. Another, okay, I'm going to let my dad do this one.
Go. Let's do it.
Okay, I'll do it then. Here we go. Autograph. That's a base card. Autograph Future Watch. Okay, that's not bad. Drake Batherson, 74 of 999. Future Watch Auto. Drake Batherson. So it's not great, but you never know what else we could get here. Let's keep it rolling. We got a Young Gun. There we go. That's the best one you could get is Michael McLeod. I'm getting all the good. Look! Wow!
Wow!
I never saw that one coming. My dad's gonna have nothing now. That sucks. But
Great hit,
Rasmus Dahlin, Future Watch. Thank you! Finally. Rasmus Dahlin, Future Watch. Should I put this maybe?
That's a great hit.
Rasmus Dahlin, Future Watch. Really good hit. How many packs?
3. Ryan pulling the heat.
3 packs in. There goes the camera. This is very, very hard to spaceless here. Very, very. Ah, the stupid Reds. Patrick Horgfist, red. Non-numbered. Nick Bukestad. Update.
This is 6 packs, huh?
I think
so.
so. Yeah. Authentic moments of Connor McDavid. Edmonton Oilers. Pack number 7. There we go. Rasmus Dahlin. Authentic moments. First in the draft. 8. Ryan Ellis, red. Nashville Predators. And this is the 9th and final pack for me. Rookie year milestones of Matt Barzal. Non-numbered. Okay, that's going to do it for my part. We'll see you guys in a second. Hello guys, we are back. My dad has the packs ready and to rip. Now let's get right into it. Got an update of Dylan Strome, Chicago Blackhawks. Base pack.
This feels heavy.
Feels heavy.
But it isn't.
No, it's nothing.
Placebo.
We got an Andrew Cogliano base for the Dallas Stars. Update.
Well, this feels heavy too.
It's not going to be nothing.
Probably not.
Wow. There's still got to be one more good hit, I'm assuming. We got a Jonathan Toews. That's pretty nice. We got a... I don't even know what this is called.
It's gotta be like the draft day.
Draft
Sometime
day
to...
something. I don't know. It's a nice card. Jonathan Toews. Next pack up. We got a rookie year milestones of Steven Stamkos. Tampa Bay. We got a
FX.
Johnny Hockey. Johnny Gaudreau.
Johnny Hockey.
We're going to pull a rookie. Hopefully we can get a level 3. And this Gaudreau is obviously bounty. We're going to get another FX.
Oh,
we got a Future Watch.
Autograph. We got 3.
There we go. That's
Luke Kunin from last year.
That's pretty good, guys. That's very good. 3 autos. Luke Kunin is not too bad at all. That's number 376 of 999.
Wow, that's not bad.
Update from last year. 3 autos. We got Batherson, Kunin, and Dylan Dubé. And then we got the Rasmus Dahlin. Very solid box. And then we got a Michael McLeod Young Gun. So this has been very good so far. We got a red of Jamie Benn, Dallas Stars. Next pack, we're going to get another Spectrum. We just got to see who it is. Got a rookie year milestones of Henrik Lundqvist, NYR. And then the last pack, come on, let's get a level 3
Last
Spectrum.
pack mojo.
It's going to be a Spectrum, I know, but it's got to be at least a good one. Authentic moments.
Shvetch.
Andrei Svechnikov. So we only got one Spectrum, but that's okay. We got 3 autos, so you can't complain. Let's do a quick recap of the hits. So we got Svechnikov moments, rookie year milestones, Lundqvist, Ben, red. We got a Future Watch auto of Luke Kunin. We got a Spectrum FX bounty of Johnny Hockey. Stamkos milestones, draft day of Jonathan Taves. Got to update Cogliano, Strome, Barzal, rookie year milestones, red, Ryan Ellis. Authentic moments of Rasmus Dahlin. Connor McDavid moments. Bukestad update, Hornqvist, red, Michael McLeod, Young Guns. Drake Batherson, Future Watch auto. And then we got a Dylan Dubé Future Watch auto. And then the hit of the box. Don't want to damage this, but it's a Rasmus Dahlin 564 of 999 Future Watch plain, but it's still a nice card nonetheless, Dahlin. So I'm happy about this. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. We're going to be back with SP Authentic, of course, because that's our product. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.